Hello everyone, welcome to Crystal Universe and Mark's Crystal Tutorials. I hope you've been enjoying my last few tutorials, and you must know by now I still have a lot to share and a lot of beautiful things to show you guys. So I wanted to bring our attention to our beautiful yet understated clear quartz point. Because these are extremely common and available, and most of our planet is made up of quartz, right? It's a very, very high percentage of it, and that's for a reason. Most life on the planet, including our bodies, have some percentage of silica crystal in them. So we respond very well when to crystal points or quartz of any kind. And today I wanted to share probably two things. I'll keep it quick, but one way to make a crystal, so if it's your personal crystal, a crystal which you will use only for your personal use. You want to attune your crystal so that it knows and can read and attune to your fluctuations of energies very quickly. Otherwise, it just works in a very general way, but it won't specifically work with your individual energy signature. So, a very quick and beautiful way, I know it's a bit strange, but I'll explain it, is by taking a very deep breath, holding your crystal in the palm of your hand and blowing very quickly with a lot of force, which is all of your energy, it's your vibration, it's your personal energy signature gets put into that crystal very quickly, and you'll notice a change. Okay, so here it is. Very easy, very quickly. So straight away I can feel my clear quartz, it starts to change, it starts tuning in to my energy almost straight away, and I haven't even asked it to, because I have placed a part of me and my consciousness and my energy into this crystal so that we then collaborate. So this crystal now is starting to move through my hands, my body. It's because I gave it permission through that breath now that whenever I hold it, it will naturally start to scan my energy field, scan my body, and start to attune, harmonize, and balance to what I need. How's that? Very easy. So after that, any crystal healing practice you work on yourself will be amplified, and it will be more attuned to your energy specifically, okay? So once your crystal is attuned to your energy signature, and you can then hold it to your heart and send it love, send it gratitude, and ask that the consciousness of this crystal be opened, awakened, and to be of the highest good for healing, harmony, wholeness, balance, all of those beautiful things. And you'll know when your crystal has answered, because it will most likely send you a wave of love itself, because that's the piezoelectric energy of the crystal powering up, and that's how it works. So from there, any way you start to use your crystal on you, it will then work very, very specifically to what you need. So I know I'm throwing a lot at you, but a very easy and beautiful way after you've attuned it and activated it a very easy chakra healing exercise is to hold your crystal, and the point is to face it towards your chakras. So you can either start at the base and work your way up, but then always come back down as well, so you end up grounded. So example, let's say I've gone up and I'm at my heart now. Is that each time I point it, I am focusing on light and love, sending light and love. That is all I'm concentrating on, sending it down my arm, through my breath, through my intention. And the crystal does the rest. You don't need to focus on what that crystal's up to. You need to concentrate on keeping your intentions of light and love through this amplifier of your crystal, and it will start to raise the vibration and the light and love harmony energies of your chakras. And you'll feel it. My heart's already starting to expand, it's already starting to lift, and it's even starting to go into those deep places which are a little bit yucky and uncomfortable. So if you move through each one, just stay however long you feel, but it's quite a powerful process. Okay, so third eye, crown, and then always just gently spend 20 seconds or so on the way back down at each one, and then your base chakra, and then face it downwards to the earth for 30 seconds or a minute or so. And very easy process, very simple, cheap, common crystal, yet your clear quartz is your master crystal. So you can do an entire crystal healing just with one small point. Okay? Don't ever let anybody tell you you need all these huge, amazing, popular, expensive crystals. Start small and always go back to your basics, which is your clear quartz.